I'm going to be coloring in my Nature to Color book. I have these color pencils. I've never seen these before. I don't know if I'm late or what, but they're twistables. Twistable color pencils. It comes with 12 in the pack. I've never seen these before, so I thought that was really cool. So let's see which one do I want to color. I want to color this one, or I think I'm going to color that one. What I noticed about these books, I tried up in one book with a little bit of a marker. You can't color in these books with a marker because it'll go onto the next page. So you got to color in either crayons or color pencils. So let's see. It doesn't have the colors on them. I wish it did. You can tell which color. In fact, you were so great that you're going to get to find out how good you are in front of my audience tonight. You're going to be opening for me in front of 1,200 people on a Las Vegas stage. Now, I got to warn you, Las Vegas audiences are the toughest audiences in the world. Now, you have an hour to get ready to perform live on stage as my opening act. Gary must know that we are going to be his opening act, and I am losing my... I'm terrified. Thanks, Daisy. Hey, I gotta ask you, are you nervous about these ladies opening your show tonight? No, I'm actually very excited. It's gonna be a lot of fun to see which ones are terrified and which ones are terrible. Oh my! Oh, I'm excited. Very excited. I'm gonna do a little Vegas girl dance and tics, some shimmy shimmy. Oops, almost dropped you. So far, that is what I got going. Looks pretty. I'm trying to figure out, like, is it all gonna be blue? It's a lot of blue. I don't know. That's a lot of blue. I'm also drinking on some water. Some water with some cucumbers in it. Tastes really good. You should try it out. Water with cucumbers. It's very good.
This is the joy for me. I love bread. I love bread. I now just manage it, so I don't deny myself bread. I have bread every day. I have bread every day. That's the genius of this program. I lost 26 pounds, and I have bread every single day. Yeah, I'm just not having any luck dating. Then why don't you try eHarmony? We've helped over 1 million people get married. That sounds great. Stop waiting. Start communicating for free today. Get ready to fall in love. 5 all new romantic comedies. What's your favorite photos? You were everything. Count down to Valentine's Day. Only on Hallmark Channel, the heart of TV. Giovanni Simply 100. It's the only light Greek yogurt with 0 preservatives. To love this life is to live it naturally. Let's get back on the bed. What happened? He was attacked by a fish. Thursday, February 11th on ABC. The Volkswagen Jetta is now more fun to drive than ever. Allow us to illustrate. Little help here? It comes standard with an all-new lean turbocharged engine with even more horsepower to really get fun racing. Yeah, this Jetta is amazingly fuel efficient, so the fun doesn't have to stop. Hey, can you give me a little look? Thanks, bud. Hurry in. Lisa's 2016 Jetta S for just $169 a month. Visit BeautifulxLover.com today. For every family that lives Star Wars, this is the place where Star Wars lives. Where a galaxy far, far away is closer than ever before. Come join us as Star Wars Awakens, now at Disneyland Resort. Experience the Force with the SoCal resident flight. It's way bigger than I
My intentions are to know if you on
really sucked. That was psychedelic. Sure.
I just feel like I left that conversation with Ben just now. It felt different. I just feel really weird. I feel like I just bombed everything. I never done that thing. What did I do? What? I'm scared. What happened?
The target's fine lines and wrinkles.
Okay, so I am finished. I like how it came out.